Hi everyone, this is the AI Feature Byte YouTube channel. Welcome back to another AI tutorial. Please support my YouTube channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's get started. Making 3D model used to be time consuming, but now with AI technology advances, there are tools that can easily turn a 2D image into 3D model in seconds. So in this video I am going to introduce two methods to easily do that. Without further ado, let's get started. The first tool we are using is Tripo AI. Recently, Stability AI partnered with Tripo AI to develop Tripo SR, a new image to 3D model. We can see the demo examples from the official blog. They have already released the model weights on Hugging Face, so you can install it on your device if you have powerful hardware. To show you how it works, I will simply access it through the official site they provide. Here, you can generate 3D models with a prompt or by uploading 2D image. I am going to generate 3D model by uploading image. To do that, click on image symbol. After uploading image, click on create. And seconds later, we have this rough 3D model generated based on the original image. If you are not satisfied with the generated model, you can click on the refine button to get a better version. You are able to customize the output format and retopolize level. After that, you can download the generated 3D model on your device by clicking on download. The second tool is Dream Gaussian. You can access it in Hugging Face or you can type this address in your address bar to get started. It provides some examples for you to try. You may also upload image here. After importing an image, click on the Generate 3D button. Dream Gaussian will then start process the conversion. The whole process may take around 2 to 3 minutes. After a while, there it is. We can preview the 3D model by dragging the canvas. The lower one is the refined version. It's a big step of image to 3D model. You can then save it on your device and further edit the 3D model. Alright, these are the useful AI tools that can help you turn any 2D image to 3D model. Hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you learned someone new, please like this video, leave a comment and share it with your friends. To support the channel financially, you can donate using the super thanks button below each video. Many more AI tutorials are coming soon, so subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss anything. See you in the next video.